How to remove the watermark in Filto editing app. First of all, open the Filto app. Once the app opens, tap the plus button to create a new project. You will notice the watermark appear on your project screen. Now use any premium filters or effects in your video. At this point, the app will prompt you to watch a video in order to unlock those filters and effects. Then click on Start Now. You will see a button labeled Watch an Ad. Click on that button to temporarily remove the watermark without purchasing the Pro version. After watching the ad, the watermark will be removed from your exported video or photo for that session. If you want to remove the watermark permanently, you can choose to subscribe to the Pro version by following the on-screen instructions. Removing the watermark helps keep your edits clean and professional, perfect for sharing on TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube. Now you know how to remove the watermark in Filto editing app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.